Alright guys, welcome back to the show, and we have gone to Missouri for the weekend. Justin and I decided to head down here and work on the cabin. This has been a project that's been in the works for 2 years. It's a cabin, if you're not familiar, that's on a piece of property my dad bought about 6 years ago. It's just a shell. I came in here, took all the metal off, made it structurally sound, put new windows, doors, sliding glass door in, and now we're down here, we're gonna put ceiling joists and hopefully frame up the walls today. There's only 3 walls. So we're gonna get after it. We're gonna just hang 2x4 ceiling joists, 24 on center. So we're gonna start out by marking everything off. But if you guys are interested in this, you can go back and watch the previous videos to see how we got to this point. Alright guys, this was done like, I don't know, probably 2 years ago, this concrete. And the concrete contractor had us, he wanted all of the PVC line below the concrete so he didn't have to work around them. If I had to do it over again, I would say no. But I've located all my vents and all my drains. We got them, the concrete broke out. I put duct tape over them all, and they have a female fitting, so all I have to do is slide my 2-inch pipe, glue my 2-inch pipe in. So actually it's gonna be pretty easy. But now we're gonna lay out these walls. This is a pretty simple, it's 2 bedrooms, 1 on each side, with a bathroom that has a double vanity, has a washer and dryer, and then has a big storage cabinet in it. It's gonna be like a hunting, recreational cabin. So it'll be really nice. And then the rest of this is all open. So we're gonna go ahead and lay out these walls with the layout laser, get everything marked on the floor, and then we'll start building. Dad, grab a ladder. See those marks? Mark it on that truss.
Okay.
Ah. Yeah, let's call that We've now created the squarest thing in this building. All right, we're framing up these walls in this cabin, and we have 2 walls that run parallel with the ceiling joist. So we have no ceiling joist to tie them into. So we are going to tie them into the trusses. I know some people are not gonna like that, but there's no tie-in walls in here to strengthen this. So you have to, and if you think about it, your trusses should not be moving anyway once you put all your ceiling joists in between them. It locks them solid together. So all we're gonna do, we use the laser to mark the top. So we're just gonna line that up, and I'm gonna shoot 2 nails into the bottom of the truss through our top plate. We're only running a single plate on this, just because that's what we decided to do.
Yep.
And that's how we attach it to the ceiling. If the walls are going this way, I will shoot nails either up into the ceiling joist, or I will toe nail down through the ceiling joist into the wall. So right here on this end wall, this post frame building, you're gonna have to go back and watch how we kind of strengthened this. This was a pre-built structure when my dad bought the land. So we went through and kind of made a hybrid exterior wall. So we have exterior 2x4 girts, and then we put 2x6s upright, 2 foot on center to strengthen the wall. Our wall here landed in between, so we just cut 2x4s to fit in between this column and this stud, so we have something to nail our wall to, and then we'll also have something to attach our wall material to here in the room and in the bathroom. Dad, will you bring that level over here? I think this is probably pretty good, but we're gonna put it flat against it this time to see if it's got like a...
How do you want it?
Just flat against this. To see if it's this 2x4 straight or not. It looks pretty straight for the most part. All right, you can take it off. And then this big daddy one, what do you think? So this is a 9-foot wall. We snapped a line at 54 inches, and we'll alternate our blocks. We'll put blocking in this just to stiffen it up. We'll put one above and then below line, then you can nail both ends through the studs. Alright guys, so this wall here that we built goes perpendicular to the ceiling joist. So we used our laser on this as well, marked lines, and now we're just tacking our top plate into our ceiling joist, and that's what's going to stabilize this wall. All right guys, well, we were wrapping up the weekend. Task is completed. We came down here to put all the ceiling joists in, frame up all the walls, utility room, just so we can move forward with electrical, plumbing, that kind of stuff. So I will say that this existing structure was not square. You know, we had one wall was plumb, the other wall was not, so it made it really difficult to get it how I like it, but it's structurally sound. It's all up. Our walls are all square here in the actual cabin. So I'm pretty excited about this. Been wanting to get this done for a long time. Just so many other things that take priority. So Justin said, hey, let's go down there this weekend. So we did, and we got all the framing knocked out. So hopefully soon we can move forward on electrical and plumbing. So this cabin is 30 by 40. We have a bedroom on each side, a little utility room that's gonna have the in-floor heat, water heater, stuff like that. And then in here, there will be a double vanity, toilet, tub shower, built-in cabinets all the way down along, and then a washer and dryer. And then out here, that's where we have the sliding glass door, have an island, kitchen with refrigerator, and then all this will be open. We'll have a wood stove over here. And then for AC, we'll probably do a mini split. Not probably, that's what we're gonna do. But this is a recreational cabin. Come down here to the farm, hunt, fish, ride four-wheelers. Been wanting to get this done for quite a few years. So hopefully we can wrap this up. But always, thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions on this, leave them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. And we will catch you on the next video.